I'm in Grand Ledge, Michigan now, and I'm here at their fire department with a ACA Allertor 125. It's pretty rusty, still active. You can see the wire conduits leading up to there. And then over here, if I walk to the front of the building, need to be careful here though. There's a Denver Quaduplex. So yeah, pretty interesting place. Denver Quaduplex right there. You see Allertor 125 over here. So yeah, that's basically it. But I do know that this is going to be restored soon. This is an active system. That one's probably going to be an inactive system, just like a display siren, and that's basically it. So we'll see you again the next time. Bye for now.